Welcome to Episode 9, the skill that separates a hobby prompt from a production one. Evals. Automated tests for your prompts so you know when a change makes them better, worse, or just different. 3 levels you'll use together. Exact match against golden test cases, fast and cheap. LLM as judge, another model scores subjective quality, and production logging where you sample real traffic to spot drift. Run all 3 on every prompt change. A golden test set, inputs paired with known outputs. Loop through, run your prompt, assert on the result. Same code review discipline you use for unit tests. The minute a refactor breaks a case, you know. When exact match doesn't work, summaries, explanations, creative tasks, use another model as judge. Give it the answer and your gold reference. Ask for a numeric score with a reason. Run hundreds of cases. Watch the average move with each prompt change. Old engineering rule applied to prompts. An untested prompt is a future incident. Test first, ship second. Last episode coming up, putting it all together, versioning your prompts, monitoring them in production, the operations layer of prompt engineering.